Howdy folks, today I want to show you how to map large areas without having to move your base station. We're going to use one RoboDot touch as the base and one as a repeater. Now check this out. Now I've set up my base station and I've shown you a few videos on the different ways to do that. Let's say I map this area with my DJI M3E, but then I need to move a little bit further. I don't want to move my base station and set it up again, so I use my repeater mode. To set up the repeater, I just have to enable the radio and set the repeater mode. Then I head out. So now that I'm at the new operating location, all I have to do is connect my DJI M3E to the local RoboDot touch, which is in repeater mode. The corrections are coming from the remote base station, and I didn't have to move it. So all my pictures are going to be referenced to the same point. Check out the impressive zoom on this DJI M3E. If you've enjoyed this video, give me a like below or subscribe if you want to continue to learn more about the RoboDot Touch and what it can do for you.